Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Jupiter. If you want to find these setups that I talk about on YouTube, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. We talked about multiple times in the past about Jupiter. As you see here, we are currently at range lows. This is the chart. We are looking at Jupiter over USDT 4-hour chart on Binance. We are currently at range lows and we are looking at a bullish retest that occurred right here at this key range of support that I just marked with green. Okay, this range of support is ranging between 66 cents and 68 cents. As you see, the price action has bounced on this support multiple times in the past. Look at this. We had a nice bounce here. After the breakout, we had a retest, another bounce, these two bounces, bounce after bounce. Look at this clear touch. So that's a very valid, very strong support. And this can be considered a bounce, even though the price action is not touching the support levels that I have here on the chart. Also this one. And recently, the price action retraced. And as you see, we had a bullish retest. The price action came back all the way down here and we bounced. The buyers stepped in and they pushed the price action higher. Therefore, it's very possible that we might see another bounce here, guys. Look at this. For example, back here, the price action bounced on this key level of support, and then look what happened after it. 78% move. Then again here, for example, smaller move. After the bounce, we saw a 42% move all the way up to mid-range. Then another huge move. Look at this. After this bounce, boom, 61%, 85% all the way up to range highs. Things like that, right? And here also, bounce, price action pumped all the way up to range highs again, 82% move. So we might see something similar going on in the coming days, weeks, or months. What I am doing with this is I am trying to accumulate as much as Jupiter as I can, as close as I can to this support that's ranging between 66 cents and 68 cents. And I have a stop loss right below this previous low that we saw February 23rd of 2025. I set up my stop loss somewhere around this area. Make sure when you set up your stop loss that you leave a lot of room for the price action to play out so you don't get stopped out prematurely. Because sometimes the price action likes to retrace, gets you stopped out, and then it bounces back up. From these range lows that I have here on the chart to the mid-range, that's approximately a 39-40% move. Mid-range is located between 92 cents and 95 cents. So that's a very strong, very valid resistance range at the moment. Those of you who want to trade this in a safer manner, you might want to take some profits when the price action comes back to this mid-range. And after the price action breaks above this mid-range, the next target that we should be watching for a rejection is all the way up here. This range, ranging between $1.27 and $1.29. That's another strong resistance range. Ultimately, from this low range lows to these range highs, that's approximately a 91% move. It depends where you guys start the move. If you started all the way down here at this lower support of 66 cents and you end the move all the way up to $1.29 resistance level, that's a 94% move. So you can basically double your money if you catch this move. However, the longer you stay in the trade, the riskier it becomes, right? And you see that the price action of Jupiter has been volatile. It looks very choppy. For example, look at this, guys. The price action pumped all the way up here, and then it retraced all the way down here. So if you didn't take profits, you just lost all the profits. And then again, look at this. Boom. The price action pumped all the way up to range highs, and then retraced all the way down. Traders who didn't take profits lost everything that they made. The market has become harder to trade. So you gotta be aggressive, guys. This hodling thing doesn't work anymore. You gotta be fast, you gotta be aggressive. You have to be on top of the charts. However, we are currently looking at the 4-hour chart, so each and every of these candles is 4 hours. And usually these huge moves take time to play out. If we zoom out to the daily chart, we see that it takes days for the price action to move from range lows to range highs, right? So that's the plan basically. Accumulate as close as you can to this support at range lows and then take some profits. Maybe right here when the price action reaches mid-range because this is a very strong resistance. And the next resistance after that is range highs. That's the next target where you might want to consider taking some profits out. And because the crypto market as a whole has been choppy the past few months, right? Make sure that you set up a stop loss, guys. A stop loss helps you manage your risk properly. Among other things, Another idea that allows you to manage your risk properly is the percentage of your portfolio that you use to enter a trade. Don't use 100% of your portfolio when you make trades like that in crypto. If you have $1,000 and you put all your $1,000 all the way down here, that's usually not smart, guys. That's not good risk management. So that's all I had for you today, guys. That's what's up with Jupiter at the moment. Again, if you want to find this chart, you can just join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. And you can open this chart on your own computer and look at these support and resistance levels on your own time. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. Because in the coming days and weeks, I am going to post updated setups with different support and resistance levels depending on how the whole market is doing and depending on how Jupiter is performing compared to the rest of the market. And also, I'm going to post price predictions when the crypto market cools off, when Bitcoin stabilizes a little bit. And you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Trade carefully.